You see that boy? He's not coming to eat with the other. He's waiting here. So this is his plate. Look at him. He find a way to go in. Okay, let's go. Let's go in. He's very, very clever. He just jump up there and he opened the curtain there and go in. That's very clever boy. Okay, Oppa, are you coming? So, come on, here's your food. Oppa, let's eat. So naughty, they are very naughty. They all eat. No, what are you crawling? Okay. Let somebody eat too. You can't eat alone. This one is adopted by foreigner here. When he comes to stay in my province for a few months, then when he leave the country, he go back to his home in Europe, and he leave the cats here. I don't know who is he, but the monk told me that he bring 2 cats here, him and the other one, but the other one is missing because maybe they are scaring to the other. Also him, he's scaring too, but when he's hungry he's coming. But the other one, I think maybe gone missing because they can't stay with the other because I have too many cats living here. So this one still staying. The first time that I see him, that I met him, he's crying too loudly on the top of the roof of the monk's building, and after a few days he's coming down and he has the collar on his neck, but the monk just take off because I mean he must be free from the collar because if he jump up to the roof and it's dangerous, it will stuck or make him, you know, it's very risk for I mean it's when he jumping to the high place and then he can stuck, or it's not good for him. It's, yeah, it's like very, very dangerous for the animal that have the collar and stay outside, I mean outside the house, and then no one can protect them all the time. So now he's eating already. I just collect all the food to keep here in case they can come to. No, no, not, you have to be nice because he's so poor boy. You have to share your food. Okay, so I just carry him to eat his food here. This boy is coming up and coming back from this place. He's already in here. So I'm no, this is so beautiful cat, like a Sami cat. It's half breed. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm continue to feed the other. Okay, let's come and eat here. Okay, I leave your food here. Yeah. Okay, so I have to go to feed two cats. She's coming to me because she's waiting because she think maybe I'm staying long and she's waiting for food. That's the two cats that living in this building. And now she's here. Okay, so I put the food inside here and she's coming up to eat here. Thank you so much for watching video from my YouTube channel. Please share and subscribe to have more video. Thank you for your sharing. Thank you for your watching. See you in my video. Thank you.